John Legend is inspired to be a better father by his wife, Chrissy Teigen. The Love Me Now singer says he's inspired every day by his wife, Chrissy, and her love encourages him to be a better father to their two children, Luna and Miles. Speaking to reporters about his relationship with Chrissy, he said, "We inspire each other. She inspires my songs. She inspires me to want to be a better husband and a better father. We support each other fully in everything that we do. I root for her in her career and everything she's doing. And I expect that she'll be up here winning Emmys herself for all the awesome work that she does. She's such a dynamic, vibrant personality, and I've fallen in love with her for a long time before the rest of America did, but now America's fallen in love with her too, and she inspires me every day." Meanwhile, John previously admitted he has been changed by fatherhood. "I think being a father helps me understand even more how fragile life can be sometimes, and how much it's imperative for us to have so many resources and so much power to try to make other kids' lives better." We're betting you loved that video. Wasn't it great? Well, like and subscribe to get even more.